to my channel. So today is pretty exciting. We are doing a Ballin on a budget autumn winter haul. I'm so excited to share these things with you. Every single piece that you're seeing today is $16.99 or less. I just want to show y'all that you don't need to spend a fortune on your wardrobe to look good. You really don't. So some of the stores I shop from include TJ Maxx, boohoo.com, etc. So when you're balling on a budget, you want to hit up TJ Maxx, Burlington, Ross, all kinds of stores like that. I feel like there's low-key a stigma around shopping at stores like TJ Maxx, which I've never understood because there's nothing wrong with the clothes that are there, I promise you. Also, I will be featuring boots from Shoe Dazzle and Just Fab. I just got them and I'm obsessed. So without any further ado, let's get on with the haul. I hope you enjoy. This is the first look that I've put together and I'm actually obsessed with it. So I've got this amazing sweater from TJ Maxx that's this beautiful mauve color. It's nice and fitted at the wrist, but then it has this like balloon sleeve and it's so great. I'm obsessed. And then this skirt from Papaya is next level. First of all, skirts are back. It's in this beautiful purple color. It's also available in black and possibly tan. Don't quote me on that. But I've paired this with these incredible over-the-knee boots from Just Fab. As you can see, they've got a little bow at the back. $15 for these boots. I mean, it does not get better than that, people. So the sweater is $14.99. This skirt was $15 and the boots were $15. So for about $45, you have an entire chic outfit with pieces that can be mixed and matched to go with the rest of your winter wardrobe. So this has been your first look when you're on a budget. So this is our next look. I've got this amazing sweater, also from TJ Maxx, that kind of looks like something your grandfather wore to school picture day, but like in the best possible way. We gotta talk about this skirt for a minute. First of all, the pockets, they're so deep. This skirt was $12 at the Express outlet. And it's got this super edgy zipper, this awesome chic kind of classic but edgy look still happening. You're gonna stay nice and warm and cozy. You could even layer a shirt under the sweater. You could wear nude tights and you don't have to worry about leggings killing your look. You are ready to take on those cold days. On to the next look. So I don't want to spend too long on this because it's just the one dress and we have some more looks to get through. But this crimson moment, I got it express with this beautiful V in the back. I've paired this dress with the Just Fab boots. I wanted to share this dress because I got it at the Express outlet for $2. It's perfect for the winter and the fall. Yeah, that has been this look. Okay, so here is the next look, and it's just very classic. This simple black turtleneck can be layered, it can be styled a million different ways. The possibilities are actually endless. A nice versatile basic to keep in your wardrobe. This one was $6.99 from TJ Maxx. The skirt was $15, the skirt was $10 from a store that editing Ashlyn will put across the screen. Right, so now we have this amazing look from Francesca's. Y'all, this dress on the clearance rack, $5. But shop clearance. You guys, I'm not even joking. A lot of people avoid the clearance racks. You can find some steals there. Like this is autumn winter dress if you layer it and style it right. And it was $5. I usually would never go for a V-neck and it just drapes so beautifully. And of course, it's super comfortable, but then you have this nice lacy detail at the wrist. It's so like, I don't want to say goth, it's not goth, but it's just a little bit, it's different from what I normally wear. I'm so sorry. The next look is completely out of focus. It's straight blurry. All right, so this is our final look of the day, and I'm finally showcasing these amazing Shoe Dazzle boots. Again, just like the Just Fab, $15. That's $10 and $5 to ship. I mean, come on. And they're super thick. Like, I looked at them online, I was expecting kind of like a plastic vinyl type texture, like some other boots that look similar to these that I've tried on, but these are thick. Like thick, and they are gonna keep you so warm. This sweater is actually from Boohoo. Also, literally so is the skirt, but I didn't mention the skirt not one time. So much stylish stuff, and they run sales all the time. So if you go to Boohoo and there's no sale, wait 1, maybe 2 weeks max. And it ships from the UK, so be prepared to wait for shipping. So it's got this awesome turtleneck, these big old sleeves, fitted at the wrist. Then it's got a really nice thick band. And I love this. I have actually been living in this sweater. It's so versatile. I've worn this sweater with leggings just to chill out around the house. I can wear it with like a skirt like this, put it with a more normal skirt, for lack of a better term, and just have a nice, smart, everyday look. It's so versatile, and I really recommend a piece like this, especially getting it in black because it goes with everything, and it just looks classic. It looks chic. You will never not look chic in a black turtleneck. It is actually impossible, unless you're wearing like tearaway pants, in which case, yeah, you won't look chic. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun putting this video together. I just want to say, you do not need to spend a fortune on clothes to look good. It's all about the way you style your clothes. But hopefully you are able to get inspiration if you have a similar style to me. Anyways, that's all. Catch y'all next week with a super cool dancewear haul. Thanks for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. Bye.